Hello, I'm Ed Samuel and welcome to the vibrant city of London. Today we're trading in our backpacks and fanny packs for something a little more refined and elegant. London isn't just about Big Ben and Buckingham Palace, though they are iconic. Our first stop is Shoreditch, London's creative hub with cobblestone streets, vibrant street art and artisan coffee shops. This area is a melting pot of creativity where every corner tells a story through its murals and graffiti. The aroma of freshly brewed coffee fills the air as you walk past the numerous artisan coffee shops. Next we head to Notting Hill, with its pastel-coloured houses and charming antique shops. The streets here are lined with quaint boutiques and vintage stores, making it a paradise for antique lovers and those seeking unique finds. And bustling Portobello Road Market. This market is a treasure trove of eclectic items, from vintage clothing to rare antiques. The lively crowds and the energetic vendors create an atmosphere that's both exciting and inviting. Finally, we stroll through Covent Garden, a historic market area filled with street performers, boutiques and theatres. The cobblestone piazza is always buzzing with activity. From the mesmerising performances of talented artists to the delightful shops, these neighbourhoods are more than just pretty facades. They're teeming with local characters who bring these streets to life. From the friendly barista who remembers your coffee order to the street artist who shares the story behind their latest mural. Put on your most stylish walking shoes, grab your monocle guide, and let's uncover the hidden gems of these trendy London neighbourhoods. Each step you take brings you closer to the heart of what makes London a city of endless discovery and inspiration. Now let's talk about food. We're diving into London's dynamic food scene, from bustling markets to Michelin-starred dining. First up, Borough Market, a foodie's paradise with gourmet street food and locally sourced produce. Now we're venturing into London's hidden gems, where you'll discover the city's true character. Away from the bustling tourist spots, these lesser-known places offer a unique glimpse into the soul of London. Start at Daunt Books, a haven for bookworms, in an Edwardian building with oak galleries and stained glass ceilings. Wander through its labyrinthine shelves and lose yourself in stories from around the world. Next, explore bespoke tailoring and vintage finds on Savile Row, a testament to London's sartorial heritage. Whether you're looking for a custom suit or a unique vintage piece, Savile Row is a fashion lover's paradise. Delve into the quirky world of the Victor Wind Museum of Curiosities, showcasing everything from taxidermied creatures to shrunken heads. It's a place where the ordinary meets the extraordinary. Discover secret gardens like Postman's Park and the Chelsea Physic Garden. These green oases offer a peaceful retreat from the city's hustle and bustle. Let's delve into London's cultural scene, where history, art and entertainment collide. Our first stop is the legendary West End, the epicenter of London's theatre scene. For a contemporary cultural experience, head to South Bank, a vibrant arts and entertainment district. Now, let's talk about how to navigate London like a pro. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned traveller, these tips will help you make the most of your time in this vibrant city. The London Underground, or the Tube, is the quickest and most efficient way to get around. With 11 lines covering the city, you can reach almost any destination swiftly. Download a Tube Map app and grab an Oyster card. The Oyster card offers the best value for money, and the app will help you navigate the complex network with ease. London is a city that loves to walk, so pack comfortable shoes. Many of the city's attractions are within walking distance of each other, making it a great way to explore. For a different perspective, hop on a classic red double-decker bus. It's not only a convenient mode of transport, but also offers a unique vantage point to see the city's landmarks. Visit iconic landmarks during off-peak hours to avoid crowds. Early mornings or late afternoons are the best times to enjoy places like Big Ben and Tower Bridge without the hustle and bustle. So, there you have it, your stylish traveller's guide to London inspired by Monocle. From trendy neighbourhoods and culinary delights to hidden gems and cultural experiences, London offers a treasure trove of discoveries.